Let me introduce you to my little bounce boosters, velcro rollers. While I'm blending my makeup in the morning, I pop these guys into the crown area to give me a nice boost at the roots. So when my hair is freshly washed and wet, I would usually put my velcro rollers in as I'm drying. So once a section is dry, I take the roller and I roll it into my roots. But on day 2 styles, I just want to add some volume while I'm blending my makeup. So the front section, which is framing around your face, I normally do to the front. On day 2, when I have flat city hair and I do my makeup, so to keep it out of my face, I roll my rollers just into the crown area. You can use as many as you prefer. On fast days, I use 3. So while I'm blending my wall makeup, I'm just gonna add some blush. It's been a busy day. By the time I'm done, rollers out, I use the velcro roller itself to just give a little tease at the root. So you just push it in and down and out. So that just gives an extra little bounce. So in and out. Don't go up and down. And the front, in and out. That's if you're wearing it to the front. And boom, the 90s bounces back. Trust me, don't just clip it up, roll it up and bounce back.